guys like my hair and my makeup? I did it myself. And then I use these amazing silicone rollers I told you guys about. These rollers right here. I use them in the front.
Hello my beautiful A-listers, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome! I'm going to be using my favorite curlers, these magic hair curlers, to style my hair today. I love these curlers because they give me the best results when I'm trying to stretch my hair and just curl it out. But the biggest downside is that it takes so long to dry. So the best thing is to use them on dry hair. So my hair is fully dry at the moment, and I am just going to be using this foam right here as my styler today. I love this foam. It has great hold and it's light, and hopefully it should also aid with it drying quicker. Really don't want to be under these forever, so pray for me guys that this goes well. So these come in a large and a small, and they're very easy to install. You just wrap your hair around this barrel, you snap it shut, and voila. So I'm just taking out my twist, and I will use a roller on each separate section. My hair has been washed and deep conditioned, by the way, in case you were wondering. Here I'm just lightly finger detangling and then combing through with my seamless comb. When you're installing rollers, to get the best results, you want to make sure that you detangle as much as you can. This comb is broken. I really should get a new one. Once you're fully detangled, the next thing you should do is take a small amount of foam and just smooth that through your hair, get it all over so that you can get a nice hold once you wrap it around the roller, as you can see me doing here. So I like to start applying the rollers from the roots of my hair, and then I just wrap it around that barrel on the magic curler. Make sure you get a nice firm grip and try and get your hair as smooth as possible around it, and then you just make sure it's secure and snap it shut. Here is a closer look so you can just see exactly what I am doing. Hopefully this will show you exactly what you need to do when you apply these rollers. I have run out. At this point, I decided to take rollers from the back, since that was where I started, and then use those in the front of my hair. Hey, what do you know? My hair is dry. Happy dance. So that's what I just did. I'm taking out some rollers from the back where the hair is dry and applying them to the front section, and then I will sit under the dryer and I'll be right back. So I'm just back from drying my hair under the dryer. I think I was under there for about an hour or so, and I'm glad to report that looks like most of my hair is dry. I'm just going to proceed and to start taking out the rollers. This was the first side that I rolled, so hopefully everything is dry. Everything is going well up until I get to this stage. Now, what had happened was I started sectioning my hair, I think a little bit too big by the time I got here, because I realized I was running out of rollers. So I'm just realizing that it's not really taking on the curl shape too well, because the sections were too big, because I was trying to conserve the rollers. So what I am going to now do is kind of just make the sections smaller and then re-roll them, and then get on that to dry and hope for the best. Hope that the curl shape is a bit better, because I found them to be quite loose. I thought this side of my hair came out really nice though. Under the dryer I go. So I'm back, and as you can see, that was an absolute waste of time. I couldn't get them to curl back any better because my hair was dry, and I honestly wasn't prepared to put some foam back on and redo this. So I will make this work. I'll live with it. So in the beginning of this clip, I showed a clip from Taraji Henson, one of my favorite actresses. I always get that I look like her a lot, so I'm trying to style my hair similar to hers. Her curls were a bit tighter because she used, I think, like a gel to hold her hair, and they weren't as soft as mine. But I will try my best and we'll see how this comes out. I'm just fluffing a little bit. I'm gonna try and loosen some curls and just generally try and make my hair a little bit bigger, but I'm really liking the way it's looking. My husband and kids thought I looked like someone from the 80s with this hairstyle, but I loved it. I loved it. That's what it looks like at the back and from the side. Do you think we look alike? Hey, I love this lady. I always get such great results with these rollers. Even when it came for time for bed, I couldn't get enough of it. I did not want to put them away. I found every excuse. I called friends, did video calls with friends just so they could see my hair. I really had a good time. I just loved it. I put them back in the curlers for bed. They are super comfy to sleep in, so I don't mind sleeping in these at all. Just chunky big sections that took about 10 minutes altogether to put back in. And this is what they look like by day 4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to click that like button if you liked it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can be the first to be notified of my new videos like a true A-lister. Till the next one, guys. Kisses.